Enersul is the world's leading sulfur processing and handling solution provider. For over 60 years, Enersul has provided a full range of services to the sulfur industry, with the unique ability to provide complete sulfur solutions to fit any production environment. For over 50 years, Enersul has led the industry with its premium process GX sulfur granulation technology. The Enersul GX units are highly efficient sulfur granulation technologies, producing premium quality sulfur granules that meet or exceed the internationally recognized premium product specifications. Deployed successfully with over 140 units worldwide, the Enersul GX process is a feature-ready design, meeting highest level of compliance to stringent environment standards. The Enersul GX process is highly customizable, and single units are available to produce from 50 metric tons per day up to 1,700 metric tons per day of premium GX granules. Multiple Enersul GX units can be configured together to meet any desired capacity requirements. The Enersul unique GX design and robust components have transformed the Enersul GX granulation process into a seamless operation with minimal supervision. The Enersul GX process is designed specifically for the sulfur industry and meets the highest levels of compliance for durability, operator safety, and stringent environmental standards. The rotating granulation drum is at the heart of the process, forming consistent and uniform sulfur granules between 2 to 6 millimeters continuously with Enersul's patented GX single-pass technology. The granulation process begins as liquid sulfur and process water are sprayed into the drum through nozzles lining the length of the rotating drum. Millions of sulfur tiny granules are continually formed and enlarged in this granulation process. The rotating motion and the embedded slanting flights lift the granules and drop them as a thick curtain in a continuous cycle. The sulfur granules enlarge and transform into uniform spherical shapes and sizes. They become hard, dry, and do not crack or flake. On reaching the preset size, the granules exit through a chute located below the drum onto a conveyor. The GX granules are spherical, dry, hard, free of voids and without structural weaknesses, resulting in high resistance to compaction with low friability. These granules are the most environmentally safe formed sulfur product for handling and transportation. The Enersul GX process can accept sulfur feed up to 140 degrees Celsius without any ancillary sulfur conditioning equipment. The short startup and shutdown sequence of the Enersul GX process allows for intermittent operation if required. Highly heated, humid air, integral to the granulation process, completely removes sulfur dust from the drum and carries it into either a wet scrubber or cyclone separator. Any sulfur dust is removed from the humid air, and only clean air and water vapor is then released into the environment. The Enersul GX process does not use or require any chemical release agent system and the associated consumable chemicals. Neither does the Enersul patented GX single-pass process require additional exterior seed generation processing equipment. The GX single-pass process units utilize a much smaller site footprint as compared to other sulfur-forming technologies and can be combined with various downstream material handling systems for sulfur storage and handling. The GX single-pass units are delivered on easily transportable skids, arriving on site for easier installation, cutting down heavily on construction time and setup costs. The GX single-pass units can be installed within a building or outside under a sun structure based on local site conditions and requirements. The Enersul GX process is the optimal choice for clients worldwide. And the GX single-pass technology is a precision-engineered Enersul innovation and premium sulfur-forming technology, a tested and proven process around the globe today. Enersul Limited Partnership, a Marmon Group Berkshire Hathaway company.